today's DIY, you're going to need foam, Primo Sculpey, Amos eye clay, scissors, toothpick, dry paintbrush, dotting tool, Sculpey Bacon Bond, and chalk pastels. I'm going to start today by making the hat of the mushroom. The sheet of paper on my working table is so that I can just tilt the paper into the trash can to easily discard the scraps. I found that using cosmetic scissors that are slightly curved are best for shaping squishies. It leaves a smoother, more refined finish. Take your time on this part to make a round shape with a flat bottom. Once you're satisfied with the shape, you can move on to coloring. You can choose whatever colors you like, but I'll be using a shade of pink, blue, and purple. Shave off a bit of the color using toothpick, then use a soft, dry paintbrush to color it however you like. Now I'm going to use the eye clay to make the face of the mushroom. I'm mixing the orange, white, and a bit of brown to create a soft peachy color. You can use a toothpick to help you put the eyes and mouth in place. Eye clay is an air-dry clay that's light and bouncy once it's dry. You can use scissors to cut the top of the head to flatten it. I'm using super glue to put the face and hat together. Position it where you like and then press it down lightly for at least about a minute. Make sure to let it dry fully overnight before squishing down on it. We're now ready to make the base, which is a small flower pot. I'm using Primo polymer clay in the color granite. I got a small piece of clay in the color burnt umber, and I'm using a dotting tool to help create texture for the soil. Once you're done with that, bake the flower pot in the oven according to instructions, and you're ready to glue the mushroom and pot together. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and please like and subscribe to let me know that you did.